Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a how to apply false lashes video. I know false lashes can be super tricky for a lot of people, and I've had a lot of requests to do this video, so I wanted to get this up for you guys. I hope you guys really enjoy this video and find something helpful. Let's just go ahead and get started. So the lash glue that I like to use personally is the Duo Dark Toned Adhesive. This is just the brush on one. It has a little brush, so it makes it easy. Just paint it right on the lash. And I personally like to use tweezers to apply my lashes. I can't do it with my fingers. I don't know how people do it, but I just personally need a pair of tweezers. And the lashes that I'm going to be using today are by Land of Lashes, and they are in the style Sophia, I believe. These are just really fluffy, wispy. Usually I'm not into too long of a lash, but these ones are really nice. And I'm just going to paint on the glue. You want to make sure you have a little more product on the inner and outer corners, because those parts are usually what will come off, what is most likely to come off. Okay, so I'm just going to let this dry for about a minute. And I did want to mention that I always make sure to have a thin line of liner on my lash line before I go in with falsies. The reason I do that is just so that when I go and place the falsies down, I know that liner is like my guide. So I just stick the lash right on that liner and follow it, and it just makes it so much easier. And that way you don't have any gaps, because I know that when I started applying false lashes when I was just learning, I would always have gaps like in the middle of the lash and my real lashes, and it's not cute. It's not a good look. You also don't have to use as dramatic of lashes as these. Some really good alternatives are actually right from the drugstore. I get mine from Walmart. These are the Kiss number 11 lashes. These are amazing lashes for beginners. I don't know. There we go. They are pretty cat-eyed, but they're very short and just more on like the natural side. They have an invisible band, so they're a little bit easier to apply than these ones, because these ones have a little bit of like a thicker band, which it can be harder to like stick down. Also these ones are Ardell 113s black. Kiss ones are more like the Ardell Demi Wispies. If you like that, then go for those. But these ones are more long and full all throughout, so they're not just full on the outer ends, they're fuller on the inner portions too. I use these all the time. These are my go-to drugstore lashes. And these ones also have the invisible band, so it's going to be really easy and really flexible to stick on your eye. Now, before I go in with lashes, I usually will curl my lashes and apply mascara, which I've already done. I was filming a first impressions video before this, so this is why my face is all done. And I already went through those steps in that video, so if you wanted to see me do that, I'll link it down below. Now that the lash is basically dry, what I like to do first is come from the top and just stick it down in the middle of my eye. So first I'll literally just stick it down right in the middle, and then grab the outer corner, stick that down, and then the inner corner and stick that down. I've had so many people say to me, oh my god, you make it look so easy. Guys, it's only easy because I have that line of eyeliner, so all I have to do is literally follow that line, and it's really easy. Now when you are applying your lashes, you really want to make sure you're waiting that full 30 to 60 seconds for the glue to dry and get really tacky, so that when you go and stick it on your eye, it actually sticks there and it's not just gonna slide around, because that is literally the worst. I've had times where my lash would like slide up and I would get the dark tone glue all over my eyeshadow, and it's just a mess. So yeah, just wait for it to get tacky before you stick it on. So once again, we're just going to stick it down in the center. The outer corner. And the inner corner. Like that. Once I put the second lash on, I will always go back with my tweezers to the first lash and just kind of try and get in here and squeeze my natural lashes with the false lashes. I know this looks really creepy, but this will just make sure that the glue is really set and your lashes literally will not come off. It also makes them look a little bit more uniform with your natural lashes. Obviously these do not look natural, but when you squeeze them together, it just makes your natural lashes stick together with the falsies and it just looks a little bit better. So there we have my how to apply false lashes video. I hope you guys found something helpful in this video, and hopefully it makes it a little bit easier for you guys to apply your false lashes. I know it can be really, really tricky, but honestly, it just takes practice and you will get there, I promise. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and check out all my social media down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.